Hello everybody and welcome to this week's AVARigs. My name is Wesley as always, and before we get into the video, from all of us here at AVADirect, we hope you're all staying safe out there in these unprecedented of times. It's crazy out there, so we all hope that you guys are hanging in there and most importantly staying safe. But with everything that is going on, there are a lot of people that are now having to work from home temporarily. And there are a lot of college students that are having to take online courses. Even high schoolers are now having to take online courses due to everything going on. So we thought it would be appropriate to talk about laptops. We do have a lot of laptops, but this is one of the ones we do have in our facility right now. So this is going to be the MSI GS65 Stealth, and this is going to be the model 95E. So this is it's a very nice laptop. MSI laptops are top-notch in my opinion. You're getting good quality alongside, depending on components, you're going to get good performance. Even with mid-range components, you're still going to be able to do a lot. So for this particular laptop, this is what I would consider a mid-range laptop. So the CPU inside of it is going to be a i7-9750H, and the GPU is going to be an NVIDIA RTX 2060. So in this particular build, God bless, I'm so used to talking about, computers, not laptops. Can you cut that? So for this particular notebook, the end user did not want an operating system installed. So that's why we do not have it turned on as of this time, or as of this moment, I'm sorry, because it's just going to show us the BIOS screen, and nobody really wants to see the BIOS screen. The customer decided to go with 32 gigabytes of Kingston DDR4. I'm saying DDD.
Dance Dance Revolution.
We're not playing Dance Dance Revolution. So one thing I do want to point out, so this is a 15.6 FHD screen. However, it is a 240 hertz screen. So you're going to have really, really smooth gameplay in the event that you want to use a notebook like this for gaming. Or overall, you're just going to have a really smooth experience when it comes to usability on the notebook. It's a really good feature to have. It is becoming a standard these days to have high refresh rates, but that is one thing that I think is really awesome about this. And not to mention that the notebook overall is pretty tiny, which I like that. I do like that. Brooke, get a picture. So this particular notebook is not a bare bones notebook, meaning we can't swap out the CPU or GPU as we can with other notebooks, more specifically Clevo, as they specialize in that. However, we do have the option to swap out the memory and storage, and that is exactly what the end user did. So they swapped out the OEM memory for a kit of 32 gigabyte memory, Kingston branded. I had to think about that for a second there, sad days. And they also swapped out the storage for a 1 terabyte 970 EVO Plus M.2 SSD. So, they are set to go. There's really not much to talk about when it comes to laptops, but the biggest reason we did want to talk about this is due to everything going on. So we have plenty of options, as well as financing options. In the event that you need something immediately, you can always go through that options. We do have a lot of options, and we are willing to work with you during these times. So you have two ways of approaching this, as always. So you can always go to www.avadirect.com, or you can reach out to our awesome sales team, who will, walk you through this process and get you something that will help you out if you do need something in this time. Or if you're just looking for a notebook to game on, this is a great option as well. All right, everybody. Well, that is going to do it for this week's AVARigs. Shout out to Joe last week for doing the AVARigs on that really awesome liquid cooled system. If you missed that video, then you can click on the link down below, and we will have it linked to where you can go watch it. As always, be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, the whole 9 yards. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss the awesome content we have coming out in the future. But as always, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in. Stay safe out there during these times, and we will catch you next time. If you like the PC in this video, be sure to contact our sales team at sales@avadirect.com, or you can head over to our website by clicking on the link in the description below. You can choose from many pre-built options, gaming or workstation based, or use our configurator to build a PC of your dreams. Be sure to click that thumbs up button and subscribe, and don't forget to follow our social media channels at avadirect.com